Hi, thank you for watching the Accufile program overview. This is for accountants and audit firms. Let me shortly explain what the software is all about and how it works. Accufile facilitates an online portfolio for all your clients on a cloud platform. On the portfolio you can load documents which can be accessed by the client. Now this can be seen as a client's file held by the accounting firm, but with the difference that the client has access to it. The client, on the other hand, can also upload files which can include things like supporting documents and permanent information. So this portal can be accessed by your clients from your website as a customer zone, which will look very professional, or with a link which is mailed to them. The system then uses files uploaded to track what work has been done and what is still outstanding, therefore acting as a superb practice management tool. For this reason, that you can track what has been done and not what have to be done, like some of the other practice management systems. There is thus a huge difference in what the reporting is based on. The communication infrastructure also enables you to constantly be in touch with your clients without actually emailing or phoning them. Once a file is uploaded to a client's portfolio, the system sends an email to the client informing him with instructions on what is required from him. For example, when a VAT 201 is loaded, the client will receive an email instructing him how to make payment to SARS. For the accountant, that also reduces the risk of non-compliance, and logs are kept which keeps a track record of emails sent and files that has been received by the client. This limits complaints from clients of not being informed. The system generates a whole lot of reports, and we are quickly going to give you a glimpse on how they look and what you can expect. Right, on the login screen, your company logo will appear on the left, and you and your staff will log in at the same place as the clients. Staff will have different rights as partners, allowing different screen layouts. The first thing that catches the eye is this button here that says Sync Clients. Accufile integrates with Pastel and also the online version called Sage 1. This is a direct link between the two systems, meaning your clients that are on your invoicing system will be carried over to Accufile. This is an absolute necessity if you want to gain data integrity. You now have only one database, and every time a new client is created on your Pastel system, you must click this button to sync. Now, accountants and audit firms normally have years of history on their accounting systems, and you have to go and delete old non-existent clients first, and then also set up what services the firm performs for each client. Initially this takes a bit of time, but we have seen that if staff members can help with this cleaning up phase, it gets done quite quickly. To do this, you have to click on the new client take on option, which allows you to delete old clients and set services for active clients. Delete functions can also be reversed again. Here you must select the partner and customer entity, categories, and specify what services you deliver to the clients and which staff member is performing that task. Also specify the admin person responsible to get the additional data updated, which can be done at a later stage. Right, you can now upload the first files to this client by selecting one of the three options. Alternatively, files can be uploaded at a later stage. Best is to have a standard set of files you wish all new clients must be issued with and preload them. When you choose the standard set, clients will receive a username and a password, and the portfolio will be created. Next phase will be to update the client. You will see here that some data like addresses have been pulled through from Pastel. All other updates takes place here, and also setting for that specific client. For example, if he is registered for VAT, you need to set the reporting sequence to even or uneven. Also CIPC dates, EMP, financial statements planning, you must set that here. To upload files to client files is quick and easy. You click on the icon, choose your client and click on upload. Click on add files, select the file you wish to load. For example, I have chosen to load a VAT file for this client, and then I have to choose the category. Say this was for VAT June 2015. I select that category and upload. The client will receive an email informing him that the file has been uploaded, and instructional email informing him or her how to pay the outstanding money over to SARS. You can also see here that 5 files can be uploaded simultaneously, and you can choose not to send an email to the client. The system uses this information to produce high risk and other reports. Let's have a quick look at them. VAT not loaded current month will tell you exactly the VAT that is still outstanding. This report needs to be clean, then you know all are done and clients are informed. You will have the same for EMP 201, UI7, EMP 501 and CIPC returns. Showing you what is still outstanding, let me quickly show you the CIPC and income tax outstanding reports. For our example, we have only 2 entities, and you can see here that both are outstanding and must be done and uploaded to the profile. Right. Same for income tax submissions. You can see here last year's are all done, but for this year no files are uploaded as yet. Other reports include the management reports. Let's have a look there. Here you can plan what you wish to do with what client, in what month and by who. It uses the initials of the applicable staff member and displays it in the month he needs to do the financials. This is a very useful planning tool, and I'll present it for audits and independent reviews. Other useful reports include the sales analysis report. Sales are pulled directly from Pastel, and then you can set it to display the invoices summary per analysis codes and to which staff member. For example, you can set the partners as a sales analysis code or even staff, and then be able to pull sales per partner or per staff member. Now what distincts this from Pastel's reports is that you can allocate who must see what, meaning that a staff member can be set to only view invoices allocated to him. Now that's very useful if you use or thinking to use analysis codes and you only want certain staff members to see certain sales figures. Under tax and processing, we have answered the age-old problem of getting provisional taxes done. It's quick and easy. It works in 3 steps. An allocated staff member print the provisional tax print sheet, which lists all your provisional taxpayers. He or she then logs into eFile and collect the basic information to do provisional tax, which includes basic amount paid and already credited, medical, etc. This is then captured in the Accufile system, and once done, the partner can easily review and change the figures on the fly with a built-in tax calculator. Once done, you have the option to send out an automated letter to all provisional clients with each figure separately displaying and requesting client to respond if he does not agree to the figure. Now that helps a lot, the email that going out automatically to the clients. After that, the staff member receives a neatly presented list with all the figures listed to complete and submit on eFile. Our client relations tools include bulk or individual emails and file uploads to all or specific clients groups. For example, you can email all your estate agents or all clients that you are doing VAT for. Easy, quick, and it tells you how it progresses while sending the emails. Lastly, I want to ensure you that setup of the system can take place in 30 minutes, and training of staff can be done by watching a few short how-to videos which is already prepared by us. What I'm saying is that there's no expensive training involved, and installation fees it's not required. You can be up and running in a flash. We invite you to contact us, Aaron de Waal, Hugo Botha and Casper de Waal, to give you more information and how you can use the system to grow your practice. We are also a bunch of accountants and software developers working together, and this program was really developed with problem solving as a purpose, and I'm sure this is achieved. So please pop us an email at support@Accufile. We promise to get back to you. Thank you for watching.